I've just read, the title is The Wisdom of Sunday by Oprah Winfrey. So this book is about kind of spiritual thing, like talking about intention, about gratitude, grateful, about something deep. It's conversation between Oprah and people, talking about the wisdom of life, talking about the deep things, and my favorite part was about gratitude. It is amazing and remind me a lot about life. Okay, so I'm going to read my favorite part of this book. You cannot even dare to have the audacity to think about raising another being till you yourself are parented. Okay, my baby is very active. I'm going to invite you in this book review. So if you like to read about spiritual thing, if you need the insight about something deep, spiritual, if you are in your spiritual seeking, spiritual journey, you need to read this book. And I really recommend this book because it's kind of deep and short and like this. It's not too long and every chapter is talking about something meaningful and I like it. But I give 4 stars from 5 because there are some part that is I cannot relate to it, but I think so far it's good. I'm going to show you some of my favorite parts. Oh my god, no. No, baby, no. If you want to join me, just come here. Astagfirullahaladzim.